Hey guys, today in this video, I'll be walking you through State Farm's Drive Safe and Save. I'll be giving you a complete guide, so keep watching till the very end to make an informed decision if it's worth it or not. Alright, let's begin with the video. Well, State Farm is one of the country's largest and best known car insurance brands. Its optional Drive Safe and Save program offers you the opportunity to get a discounted car insurance premium in return for sharing data about how you drive. Insurers recognize that people with safer driving habits are at a lower risk of getting into an accident and filing a claim. That's why many now offer usage-based insurance programs that use telematics technology, which transmits data wirelessly to the company to monitor how their customers drive. Lower-risk customers participating in these programs can earn a lower insurance premium, usually as a discount. State Farm claims that opting into its Drive Safe and Save UBI program can earn you discounts of up to 30% based on your mileage and basic driving characteristics. The company factors the discount into your premium when it sends you a renewal quote at the end of your 6-month policy term. To continue receiving a discount at each renewal, you must remain opted into the program. With Drive Safe and Save, State Farm monitors your driving habits through one of two methods: mobile app and connected cars. Download the Drive Safe and Save app, which is available for both iOS and Android, to your phone. This app is paired with a Bluetooth beacon that you receive in the mail from State Farm. The beacon, designed to adhere to your windshield, and app work together to track relevant driving data. The app also monitors when you pick up your phone, indicating potential distracted driving. 2020 or newer Ford or Lincoln vehicles include telematics technology that allows you to participate in Drive Safe and Save without using the app or beacon. State Farm notes that this option is not available in all states and excludes some Ford and Lincoln models. Drive Safe and Save is optional for State Farm customers. Once you've decided to opt in and complete enrollment, the program will monitor a variety of your driving habits every time you drive and transmit that data to the company. State Farm will calculate a policy discount based on the driving data at the end of your 6-month policy term. It will factor this discount into your renewal premium. According to the State Farm website, Drive Safe and Save will never result in a surcharge to your premium. However, if you currently receive the company's discount for low estimated mileage, and Drive Safe and Save shows you drive more than the discount's 500 mile per year limit, you may lose that discount. You'll need to keep participating in the program to continue earning a discount with each policy renewal. Your discount may increase or decrease at subsequent renewals depending on your driving habits. If you stop participating in the program, the discount will be removed from your policy. State Farm tracks various habits to determine if a customer is driving safely, including annual mileage, acceleration, hard braking, cornering, phone use while behind the wheel, and speed. Once you understand what Drive Safe and Save tracks, you can take steps to maximize your program discount. This may mean maintaining safe driving habits or working carefully to develop them. Here are some tips. Try to keep your speed within the posted speed limit note that the app shows when you've exceeded the speed limit by 8 miles per hour or more. Heed caution signs, such as those that advise you to lower your speed when cornering. Avoid hard braking by maintaining a safe distance between you and the car in front of you. Use the 3-second rule as a guide. Limit your overall mileage by combining trips, carpooling, using public transportation, or going by foot. Avoid jackrabbit starts, sudden acceleration. This can also help you save gas. Finally, avoid using your phone to make calls, text, or access the internet while driving. According to its description in the App Store, the Drive Safe and Save mobile app provides interactive maps of each trip. These maps highlight precise spots where you accelerate quickly, brake hard, take a corner too fast, speed, or use your phone. The app also provides a driving score, so you can get a sense overall of how you're doing with the program. Saving almost 1/3 of your car insurance premium is an attractive prospect. But before you commit to State Farm's Drive and Save program, be sure to understand if it's right for you and if you're right for it. You should be comfortable with the idea of sharing data with your insurance company every time you drive. And you should practice good driving habits such as staying within the speed limit, keeping a safe following distance, and avoiding distractions such as cell phone use. You'll also be more likely to benefit if you drive fewer miles than average. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.